I have a 4-year-old little boy. His name's Wolf, and I have a 2-year-old little boy named Atlas. Healthy Steps is very important in the community. I kind of noticed at 15 months he wasn't speaking, and they don't do anything until they're 18 months old. So we finally got him set up with speech evaluation. We started speech therapy around 23 months. That's how long it took for him to get that. It should be easier for our kids to get things we need and families to get services that they need. I didn't know how much Healthy Steps help people. When you go in for your doctor's appointment with your child, Nikki comes in there before the doctor comes in, and she basically just asks you what's going on today and where can I help you, and she tells you about services that is available. I wouldn't have known where to start. Hard being a mother, and you're pulled in so many different directions, and you want to be good at everything. Their faces behind just like papers, and to listen and don't make it so hard to get things done without you having to jump through hoops. They'll set you in the right direction.